Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video, we will learn how to connect dataset using JupyterLab from Roboflow. Roboflow is online platform which provides you the dataset for annotating images or labels. So first thing you need to install on JupyterNote Lab is pip install Roboflow. So this is like first step. So let's start the Roboflow. Once we install the Roboflow, the next step import Roboflow from Roboflow, and we require RF, API key, and project ID and project workspace, and also the version. So let's check step 2 from the roboflow.com. We need to sign in and get these values like a project, ID, and space from the roboflow.com, where we have already annotated our datasets. So let's move to the roboflow.com now. Here we have account. So once I sign in here, I can see my projects. I have multiple projects. I created one example project here, which is already annotated. Example project with dataset annotated. So now I need to go to the dataset and then I need to install this one, and then we have this download dataset. Now download dataset, once you click the download dataset, you can see two options here, and you can change from YOLO to whatever YOLO you require. For example, current version is YOLO 11, YOLO 8. So we need YOLO 8 for example for this one. You can download the zip to computers also, and you can show download command. So actually you're not downloading physical files here, but you just downloading the code, and this will work on your JupyterLab. So once you click on continue, this will generate Roboflow ID and API key, and project name and project space and everything, and version for you. So don't share, this says that don't share this code to anybody else. Just need to copy from here. Just copy here and paste over there at your space. So we go to our project work again and we just paste here. Once we paste it here, we just say click on. Now we need to run the code. Let's run the code. Okay, so now let's check loading Roboflow workspace already done, loading Roboflow project done. So let's check whether these projects are installed, this dataset is available or not. So let's check. So yes, we have example one. Yes, we have a dataset name example one. So we have data.yaml and trend test, all those files available. Yes, so it works perfectly. Thank you for watching.